Hello ladies, so today we are trying Gyaru girl makeup look. I really don't get this look but I'll try it. Anyways, let's do the makeup. I already prepped my skin as you can see. Moisturizer, primer. I don't use sunscreen because I don't go outside. Anyways ladies, firstly I am using foundation stick or pan stick. You can say whatever you want. I'm doing really layered foundation. As you can see, I'm now using a gel type. I'm in Mars foundation and blend it really well and smudge it with the beauty blender. Now I'm using a blue hand foundation as my concealer. As you can see, this shade is really lighter for me, so it give more highlighting to my face. I blended it with the beauty blender. Now I'm using banana powder, or you can use whatever powder you have. Now I am applying the wherever I do conceal. Now the next step is concealing. Contouring. I contouring my nose with a eyeshadow. Now contouring my cheeks. Under my cheeks, forehead, wherever I want to do it. Anyways, as you can see, next step is eyes. I want to do that eyeshadow on. Now that doll kind of eye look. For that I am using a white compact powder. I don't have that white thing, white liner they use. Now I am using a next step is I am using a brown shade, then a white, then a shimmer or something like that. Now next part is I drew it with the eyeliner, dazzler eyeliner. I don't know how to say it, but I tried to do it. Now I am using that same compact powder to draw my nose. I am filling my eyebrows. I don't fill my eyebrows, I just comb it. Now using a blush and highlighter, tip of my nose and cheeks. In my makeup I really love doing highlighter. And now lip. Next part is lip. I am using Vaseline. Now drawing my lip with a darker shade of lip liner. Then I am using a lip gloss, lip oil or something. I am not using any lipstick. And now I am combing my eyelashes using mascara. I am used to mascaras. One is Blue Heaven and other one is I don't know what brand is. Now this compact powder, it's from Blue Heaven. This is the final look guys. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.